Welcome to Race City Marine. Today we're going to take a look at our 2019 Subaru Nautique G23. If you have any more questions or would like to come in and schedule a test drive, all of our contact information will be down in the description below. This is a 23-foot boat finished off with a steel blue metallic flake, mystic white hull, and onyx black accents. The interior features the titanium gray sea decking with the galaxy pattern option. The rear end of the boat features the Nautique Surf system, which are two integrated plates on each side of the boat that help shape the wave for your rider. This also features the Nautique Surf exhaust pipe that helps direct exhaust fumes into the prop wash out behind your rider. We also get the optional Nautique Steering Assist, which is a thruster in the rear end of the boat, making maneuvering in tight corners a breeze. On the back of the boat, this features a transom cooler. We also have the optional remote to control the JL audio system. The Nautiques also feature a transom walkthrough, all finished off in sea decking, so it's really easy to enter and exit the boat. You'll also notice another sea decking step on the seat cushion, so you don't have to worry about stepping on any of the upholstery. And then moving to both rear lockers in the back of the boat, they just open up with a hinge, very simple to do. And since this boat features a subfloor ballast system, you'll notice there's nothing inside of these lockers. There's plenty of space. All your friends and family can have your boards, any type of gear you're going to need in the boat. And then to open up to take a look at the engine, there's just a latch right here. This boat comes with the standard 6.2 liter 8-cylinder engine. It is direct injected and has 450 pound-feet of torque. So now inside the boat, starting off with the seating, we have a removable cushion right here for rear-facing seats. And then this is all on a hinge, as you'll notice throughout the boat. Opening this up, we have a ton of dry storage. The whole bottom side is finished off with sea decking, so you don't have to worry about any type of mold or anything on carpeting. We have two cup holders over on this side, and this boat does have the optional enhanced courtesy lighting, so you'll notice that ambient lighting all throughout the boat. Moving to the center of the boat now, we have the flip up lounge seat. Just grabbing the front up, it'll lock into place. You can pull this seat up, and with the seat up, we have more rear-facing seats, so all your friends and family can watch the show behind the boat. And continuing on the inside of the boat, we have another hinge seat, opens right up, and then this seat right here, there's a little handle you can grab and pull this right up to have more rearward-facing seating, and then it locks into place. You can also unlock it to close it up. Opening this seat up reveals more dry storage. We have one of the 12-inch subs down here. The integrated trash can is located in here as well. And with that seat closed up, we can take a look at the glove box. Opening this up, we have more seat decking in it, so all your belongings can stay nice and secure. We have the controller for the JL audio system, as well as USBs and other auxiliary ports. And you'll also notice the heated seat button is over on the left side for the passenger. Moving our way to the cockpit of the boat, you'll notice the race-inspired helm seat has aggressive bolsters in it to keep you nice and secure in the seat. One of my favorite features is this cutout right here. So when you are driving the boat, you can easily sit sideways in the boat, watch your rider, and still keep your eyes on the front. And then pulling the lever down here, this is a swiveling seat as well. To move on to all the controls of the boat, we have the throttle located right here, a really comfortable armrest, very ergonomically designed so it's comfortable to use. We have the control panel right here with a rotary dial on it to control everything within the screen. We have the Nautique awareness camera that shows a rear view camera of what's going on behind you. And then over on the left side of the screen, we can take a look at all the ballast settings, the interior lighting, and all the other vitals within the boat. Now moving our way to the bow of the boat, this boat does feature hinged armrests. Just pull them right up, they lock into place, and then there's a button on the front. They can close down. These seats are also on hinges, so opening them up, we have a lot more dry storage space with more of the sea decking in here. And then this boat does have the optional bow filler cushion. It is reversible. We have sea decking on one side, and then flipping it around, we have the cushion. And then the front cushion is also removable to allow easy access to get in and out of the bow of the boat. Now moving to the flight actuated tower, we have 8.8-inch JL speakers on the top of the tower. And then this also has these swivel board racks, very easy to use. Just give them a firm push, pull this pin, these swivel in, also lined in rubber, so you don't have to worry about them dinging up your board. Very simple to use, just put your board in there and these lock into place. This boat also has the G Series Bimini. You'll notice how large it is. It really does a great job covering everybody from the sun. To go ahead and put the tower down and fold up the Bimini, all you have to do is grab the support arm, unlock it, it comes out, and then you can Velcro it into place onto the Bimini top. And then each side you're gonna fold up and over. And then you're just gonna slide the boot on to cover it. And then to fold down the tower, you're just gonna pull these locks out, turn them in the direction of the unlock. And then by just pressing the power button and the down, it'll automatically fold down. And then by just unlocking the Bimini, we can go ahead and fold it down. It'll lock into place, which is great for towing. So there's a good look at our 2019 Subaru Nautique G23. If you have any questions about this boat or would like to come in and schedule a test drive, all of our contact information is in the description below.